quiet. That thing's really quiet, actually. I take it we're dumping wood chips over there? Oh, well, fuck it. I'll walk. Maybe he wants to put chips here, though, so I better move it. Come on. Right up here by Michaela's shed. Stay. I didn't set the brakes, so I don't know how long it's going to stay. Sadly, in 8 hours, we're just borrowing it for a few days to dig a few holes. It may only be today, actually. But Hugh's running it right now. I'll be running it here in a few minutes. But the catch is, when I run it, if my teacher calls on this piece of crap teacher able to call me on my mobile device, I'm not going to be able to, I'm going to have to get off to do what my teacher told me to do. It's really quiet. I'm surprised. Cat engines are normally pretty loud. Huge ass bucket, probably a good 3-yard bucket. Imagine if you filled that thing up with sand. I'm sure with the backhoe it'd be fine, but without the backhoe it'd probably be tipping over with that big of a bucket. My uncle actually has the same exact backhoe, but with John Deere, so I suspect it'll be pretty easy to use, since I've used one almost exactly like it before. The only thing that might be different is the gears. Looks like that right side rear tire is a bit low. Maybe even the left side. Maybe that way to give extra traction, but that right one looks a lot lower than the left, as you can see, or at least I think you can. Anyway, I'll save my battery and my memory for when I drive it, operate it. I need to sound like I know what I'm doing, guys. Anyway, oh man, he's ruining my drive over patch thing. Anyway, yeah. See you guys in 3, 2, 1. Yep, pretty simple. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Your bucket open and closed, and you have all your backhoe controls back there to my left and to my right. I think I need to downshift. I'm in 4th right now. Probably 2nd. Top of the bucket is the level spot. Alright. So I lift it up like that. Something like that. Bounce it around a bit to settle it. Turn around real quick. Whoa, windy today. Lower my bucket a bit, probably a bit higher than that. I'll probably shift to 3rd. Whoa, really windy. I think I'll just stick with 2nd. It's not a synchronized transmission, so you gotta stop all the way before you shift, sadly. I'm trying to find the lock for it. Nope, that's not it. That's not it either. Nope, not it either. Trying to find the lock for that, I think that's the lock there. Yeah, I think that's the lock. Alright, I found it. Awesome. Alright, cool. Alright. Let's go. I wish this thing had a full windshield because chips are flying in my eyes. Sorry about the wind, not much I can do about it. Throttle lock for running the backhoe. This is your accelerator down there. Then your individual brakes and your diff lock. I really like this diff lock. On our tractor, the diff lock's way back here and you can't run the clutch at the same time with the diff. But our tractor has a synchronized transmission, which is pretty nice. This one doesn't have a synchronized transmission, which is pretty pathetic. Alright, well, there's Hugh way over there waiting on me, so I better put away the camera. Alright. I'd assume one of those switches on the side, but it might be up here in the front. I think those are just blank. It might be... No, it'd be an on or off.
What's this one here?
That's bucket tip. These are those. Well, that's the diff lock, but it's not four-wheel drive.
Might be.
It might be that black switch right by your... I don't know. They're all faded away. Oh, this is for that thing to It's not locked. If you press that down, it should lock it. It's locked now. But you're still slipping. We're gonna have to find four-wheel drive or we're not gonna get up. Woo. Well, judging from my... Is that...
I thought you knew all everything there was with 50 hours. You'd know where four-wheel drive was.
Yeah, I was just going to say, I think it's right. This is preheat, that's lights, that's strobe light, that light. That might be it there.
That's a lock on something.
I think... Probably one of the two red ones on the dash. It's one of those two red ones on the dash. I think it's that one right there. I can... I think that thing did it somehow. Do you have anything now? Huh. Well. Did you kick it out of gear right by your knee? That's in fourth gear. That's first. Right there is first. There we go. Now we have go.
No, we have to pull the last one.
That's the flashers. That's the emergency flashers. I'm pretty sure this one might be four-wheel drive. That's the only one we have left. I guess it's not. I have no idea. Huh. I've run out of ideas. Is it this lever? There's that blinkers. Yeah, it's blinkers. Oh, here it is. There. That's four-wheel drive. I knew it was somewhere on the dash. And if you hold the locker down, you'll have better luck too. It's up front. The locker's right there. Yeah, used to ours. Quite on the side. Other one, there we go. Alright, now you can set the downriggers if this is where you want to dig. There's the water from when we watered it a week ago.
It's a backup. I think that's kind of deep for a water line. We keep working that way.
I'm surprised on how quiet it is. A lot of Caterpillar equipment is pretty loud.
I don't really put it up very much.
go find that valve.
I want to put back here.
Thought you said you wouldn't break it.
I didn't think he was going to be that shallow. I thought I had another foot to go.
Yeah, me too. So even on a 40-ton ram, you can feel it bump over the pipe.
Yeah, you normally can. This ain't working. I gotta get next to it.
On a downshift. On a downshift. It really feels like it's in like 4th gear.
Yeah, it does.
Well, I guess you'll need 4-wheel drive. Well, if you're in 4-wheel drive.
Whoa, way at an angle. That's like stretching it that much.
I think what you did is you kinked it right where its shovel is. See that kink there?
Yeah.
So it's not really at an angle. Dang, that pipe was a lot shallower than I thought.
Yeah.
Well, at least I know I can fill in that hole because there's no pipe over there.